There's a new electric truck that costs less than $25,000, and it doesn't even have a touchscreen on purpose. I'm about to show you why the 2027 Slate Truck might be the most important vehicle launch in years. A bare-bones, customizable electric pickup backed by Jeff Bezos that's challenging everything we think a new car has to cost. Let's go.
Here's the wild part. Every single Slate truck rolls off the line in Warsaw, Indiana, looking exactly the same. Same gray color, same bare panels. Slate calls it the blank slate, a literal canvas. This is a two-door, two-seat pickup with a 5-foot bed and steel wheels. No paint from the factory. Instead, you wrap it yourself. Slate is launching with 50 core color wraps starting at $499.99, installable as a DIY project at home or pre-delivery. The Slate has more than 100 attachment points for customization. Want an SUV instead? A square-back SUV conversion kit adds rear seats, airbags, a roll cage, and an SUV top for an extra $5,000. This truck can literally change shape. Power comes from a single electric motor producing around 200 horsepower, tuned heavily for low-end torque rather than outright speed. This isn't trying to be fast, it's trying to be useful. Payload capacity is rated at 1,550 pounds, actually beating the Ford Maverick's 1,500-pound rating. Max towing sits at 2,000 pounds, the same as a base Maverick before adding a tow package. The battery is a 65 kilowatt-hour LFP pack with 63 kilowatt-hours usable, delivering an estimated 205 miles of range. It uses a NACS charging port and can charge from 20 to 80% in about 30 minutes at up to 120 kilowatts, not blazing fast but workable for a road trip stop. Inside is where Slate gets genuinely radical. There's no touchscreen, none. Slate says drivers are expected to use their own smartphone or tablet in place of an infotainment system, with a small digital instrument cluster that also displays the backup camera feed. You get crank windows, tactile, physical buttons. This is intentionally simple. Fewer screens, fewer sensors, fewer things to break and cost you money down the road. The interior offers vinyl seat covers at $250 that zip on and off for easy cleaning, plus dozens of trim color options. Want leather? For $500, you can swap the cloth seats for brown leather ones with gray fabric inserts. There's even 7 cubic feet of frunk storage with an integrated drain plug, perfect for tailgating. Despite stripping out the electronics, Slate designed this truck to achieve a 5-star US NCAP crash rating, with standard traction control, electronic stability control, forward collision warning, and at least 4 airbags. And here's the real differentiator. Slate backs the truck with a 10-year, 110,000-mile battery and powertrain warranty, plus access to over 3,000 Repair Pal shops nationwide. Slate wants this to be the cheapest vehicle in America to insure and service too. The 2027 Slate Truck starts at $24,950, plus an unannounced destination fee. That makes it the most affordable new truck in America and the cheapest electric vehicle on sale, period. Worth noting, the $7,500 federal EV tax credit no longer applies, so this price is what you actually pay. There's also no dealer markup games. Slate sells direct to consumer only. Slate has already received more than 180,000 early reservations. Deliveries begin in Q4 2026, with most trucks shipping through 2027. Honest take, this isn't for everyone. No AWD, no real off-road chops, no big power numbers. But for someone who just needs a basic, reliable truck for work, errands, or a daily commute at a price that doesn't require a 7-year loan, the Slate might be the most honest vehicle launch in a decade. So, would you buy a truck with no touchscreen to save thousands? Drop your honest take in the comments. Slate Truck or stick with a used Maverick? If this surprised you, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest EV coverage. I'll see you in the next one.